Hey everybody, welcome to 11264 Felice Cohn Ct. I am your host, Daryl, Hanna, and I have a special treat for you guys today. Man, a lot of times I say homes, this home has it all, but this home really does have it all. These people have done everything to this house, from the floors to the countertops, to the backsplashes, to the RO system, to the water heater, to the gas fireplace in the backyard and the pool. They've done everything to this house. Here in the kitchen, huge island, granite countertops, tile backsplash, upgraded cabinets, pendant lighting, upgraded paint. I mean, there's a butler's pantry, a huge walk-in pantry. This kitchen really has it all. So this house features 3,137 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths with a den, 3-car garage, pool, and just a gorgeous backyard. So what I love about this primary bedroom, besides the amazing record collection that they have on the wall, is the light. Lots of natural light in here, lots of windows. You look out to the pool and the landscaping and the water feature. You can just crack that window. And man, I love this primary bedroom. Hey, come check this out. This is the biggest closet I've seen in a production home builder house. Look at this thing. Man, if you wanted to do some custom built-ins, there is rooms to do so much in here, man. Love this one. So we're in the backyard here at Felice Cohn, and just like the inside, and there is a lot going on back here for the new homeowner to enjoy. Covered patio, both with a gazebo and a solid covered patio. Gas barbecues. They have even thought of covering the AC equipment with a covered tarp so that the sun doesn't hurt the AC unit. Pool, hedges. I mean, how often do you see hedges in Las Vegas where you don't see the block wall? Man, this is such a fabulous backyard. I can't wait for you guys to see it.